Hi, Chris. It's Friday, April 1st, and I've got only one thing that I'm going to talk about today, and that is April Fool's Day. You're a little bit familiar with the project I'm working on. Basically, all you need to be familiar with about it is that it includes numbers for votes. It includes numbers for what's called basically a score per person, and it includes profile images. So today, to celebrate the day, the votes were adjusted. So I generated a random number that was between 1 and 2 times the actual vote for whatever item was being looked at. And that random number plus or minus whatever to get to the actual, so if it was like 5, it could be like 7 minus 2 is what's recorded as the vote. So basically it was like a simple math problem to solve in order to get the actual amount of votes an item had. And then the scores were quite a bit more complicated, because it was a similar concept, but much more like extreme. So we had things like factorials and exponential powers of 10 and random like multiplications, like blah 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 times 41. And so it was really interesting there, because it made it was all, the information was all there accurately if you went to the effort of actually figuring it out. But for the most part, it kind of mucked things up a little bit. And we also replaced every single profile picture on the site for today with a picture of a meerkat, which looks kind of like a ferret, sort of. So yeah, it was fun. It was pretty well received overall. People got the joke. A few people thought it was an actual bug when they just saw the numbers, but yeah, overall it was well received. It was pretty fun. So yeah, April Fool's Day went off well. I, for the first time, was not involved with what Grinder School did this year. So I'm going to watch their video, see what they did for the April Fool's Day poker video. But yeah. Other than that, I'm going to go ahead and get off this thing. Going to do some work around the house this evening, moving furniture and whatnot, just to kind of organize stuff. And then we actually have some people coming over, so that should be fun, teaching people poker. Anyway, don't forget to be awesome.